Why do stars twinkle? Single word answer, atmospheric refraction. So this is Earth, surface of the Earth, ocean. So we have atmosphere. I can divide it into layers. So we have changing density layers, right? So in this, yes, we see cloud, we see other particles. This is right. So this is your scenario. So highest density being the near to the surface. So what happens over here? Say we have a star. So from the star, this is the star. We are receiving rays from it. Okay. So light from that is reaching us. This is us. This is Earth. So if I zoom in, I get this picture. So say a light is coming, it enters our atmosphere. So what happens? It will get refracted a bit more, and it will reach us. But thing is, our atmosphere is dynamic. This is dynamic. What does dynamic mean? It keeps changing. So sometimes, the light gets split over here, like in the prism. So it's passing through rain droplets, right? So it can get split. Sometimes there can be a thick cloud. Sometimes there can be some bird passing through, whatever it may be. The reason being, it will be dynamic, right? So things are not stable in our atmosphere. So this light gets refracted in a different way every point of time. So sometimes it get dispersed, sometimes it get bounced off, sometimes it passes through clearly. So there will be a dynamic thing that is happening over there, and the light has to, a small light has to pass through all of this. Again, remember, star is really far and we get a very small percentage of light from that star. So because it's passing through this dynamic environment, right, we are able to see twinkling of stars. So they appear to twinkle. Okay, so this is the reason. So I'll read the write-up, then we'll revise. End of it. The light ray coming from a star reaches our eye after passing through the atmosphere, having different layer of different optical density. The optical density of different layers of air keeps on changing continuously due to change in temperature conditions, due to which the light ray coming from the star are refracted to different amount at different moment of time, and the path of refraction rays keeps on changing. As a result, sometimes more light is refracted towards our eye and the star appears brighter to us, whereas sometimes less light is refracted to our eye and the star appears dim to us, giving rise to twinkling effect of star. So the simple answer is, our atmosphere is dynamic and the light, a small percentage of light that reaches our Earth, gets to refract through this dynamic atmosphere. So sometimes it gets dimmer and sometimes it gets through the atmosphere without much change, and we are able to see a bright light, and this effect is nothing but your twinkling of star. Okay, so please pause, write this off, try to make it short. I given it in a long version so that you guys can understand it, appreciate it better. That's it. It's not for your exam. Don't write this much for one marker. Okay, please remember, this is only for your understanding, not for exam, right? Even this diagram is not for exam.